Good afternoon, folks. Ari here from Direct Auto Outlet in Fair Oaks, California. I've got this gorgeous 2007 Mazda 3 S Touring Hatchback for you today. This gorgeous one-owner vehicle has only 101,000 original miles, and this will be a test drive and driving impression video of this gorgeous 5-speed manual transmission Mazda 3. Now, we do have an in-depth walk-around of this video on our website too, so make sure you take a look at that. In that video, we will be going through the ins and outs of the video, demonstrating its options for you. We'll not be doing that here. This will be purely a driving impression video of this car. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. It has been a windy year this year. Just about every video we've done has had wind noise in it, so I do apologize for that. It's not one thing, it's another. If it's not the storms and the rains here in California, it's the wind, it's the fires, it's the mudslides. Who said California has great weather? One of the biggest selling points for California is starting to look a little lackluster. All right, let's go ahead and begin. As you can see, we have 101,388 miles. Folks, I'll do my best here because I'm actually holding a handheld camera, and this is a manual transmission vehicle, so between the camera, the gear shifter, and the steering wheel, you can imagine I could use an additional arm or additional hand here. Gorgeous interior of the vehicle, no smoke odor, no pet hair, all electronics in proper working order. Very sporty vehicle, very fun to drive, and a lot of zip to its step. So this vehicle is equipped with a 2.3 liter 4-cylinder engine. Unlike the more basic model that only came with a 2 liter, this does have additional horsepower and a little bit better get up and go. Suspension feels very precise, very easy to drive. Going through the twists and turns here, the vehicle feels very confident and easy to operate. The gear shifts are nice and easy. The throws are smooth. And we'll go ahead and throw it into 5th gear. As you can see, we're going about 55 miles per hour here and a 40-mile-an-hour turn. The vehicle handles great, evokes confidence in the driver. Very smooth and quiet. Feels much more like a sports car than it does an economy car, but during these years, that's one of the main selling points of these Mazda 3s, is that we're very sporty and very precise vehicles. So you get the economy car as far as it comes to maintenance and upkeep, and you also get the sporty feel that you would get from a much more expensive or premium sports car. Power is quiet enough, especially with this manual transmission. Very fun to drive. As we come up to the cars ahead of us, we're going to go ahead and stomp on the brakes. And as we do that, you'll feel no shaking on the chassis, no shaking on the steering wheel. Nothing that would indicate any warpage of the rotors. I'm going to throw it into 3rd gear and make a right turn onto San Juan. This road is known for lots of uneven pavement, lots of potholes, lots of rough surfaces. So our California tax dollars hard at work on these roads over here. So this section of road really puts the vehicle through its paces, and if there's any rattles or squeaks in the suspension, any looseness, we feel it here. And I absolutely do not feel anything out of the ordinary on this section of road. Everything feels tight, feels well put together, feels well maintained. That's one of the beauties of buying a one-owner vehicle, is oftentimes you get a vehicle that's been a little bit better taken care of. On this next stretch of road, we'll make a right-hand turn. We'll do a 0 to 60 pull going up this hill to see how well it does. Again, I'll be doing my best here with the camera, shifter, and steering wheel. I only do have 2 hands, so if their camera is a little shaky, please do excuse me. As you can see, we're at a 0 mile per hour right here, and we'll get started. Lots of power, comes on nice and strong. And 70. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Pulls hard, nice and fast. I even forgot to turn the air conditioning off. Usually I do that before I do that, so I can before I do the 0 to 60 pull, so I can get a little bit extra power, but I actually forgot to do that in this instance. Still did very well. Clutch feels nice and tight. Shifts are butter smooth. Clutch engages far down on the pedal as it should. Does not feel worn out whatsoever. No slippage even when shifting late and hard. It feels very, very nice. I doubt that this would be the original clutch. It's probably been replaced at some point. It feels brand new. Starting out in second gear at just 2 miles per hour, vehicle feels like it has plenty of power, plenty of low-end torque to get itself up and going. And going up and over this bump. Hear no additional excess noises, clunks, rattles, or squeaks. We'll be going and making a California left-hand turn, California stop and a left-hand turn while remaining in second gear here. Going down to almost 0 miles per hour, just at a snail's pace. Still does very well. Plenty of power going up this hill. No problem whatsoever. Very fun vehicle to drive, very comfortable, very confident, and with only 101,000 original miles, this vehicle has a long life left ahead of it. This car is a great value, under $10,000, in this case well under $10,000. Even after your tax, license, and fees, still well under $10,000. Makes it a great value and a great choice for a young driver, for a commuter vehicle, for a family vehicle, you name it. This vehicle can do it all. California here, we average about 15,000 miles a year. So as you can imagine, a 16-year-old vehicle would have well over 200,000 miles now, and this one has well less than half of that at only 101,000. Folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please do consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. We really are concentrating on our channel this year, and we can't expand it and build it without your help. So please do us a favor and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification icon so that you can be notified of all of our future videos. We certainly do appreciate that. Any questions, you guys could reach us here directly at the lot at area code 916-765-7575, or you can reach us 24/7, 365 days a year on our website, which is www.directautooutlet.com. If you have any comments, please also drop us a note in the comment section and we'll be happy to respond. We do check the comment section from time to time. But you can also reach us directly here at the lot. We do look forward to your feedback. We do look forward to the opportunity to work and interact with each and every one of you. And I do thank you for spending your valuable time with us, joining us throughout the entirety of this video. That certainly does help us out, and we do appreciate it. Again, we hope to see you guys soon, and join us here at the lot. We are open Monday through Saturday from 10 a.m. to 6. Actually, we expanded our hours for daylight savings to 7 p.m. now, and Sundays from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Hope to see you at the lot soon. Take care now. Bye-bye.